What makes Dutch truck shows the best in the world? Is it the trucks, the people, or something completely unexpected? Let me ask you this, have you ever been to a truck show? If so, which one? If your answer isn't the legendary Truckstar Festival in Assen or the incredible Grode Truck Show Gorinchem, then you're in for a treat. Dutch truck shows are so much more than displays. They're cultural events that some say even outshine Europe's biggest car shows. From stunning custom trucks to jaw-dropping designs that attract international fans, these events are where passion, tradition, and innovation collide. Buckle up as we dive into the world of Dutch truck shows and reveal what makes them unforgettable. In the Netherlands, trucks are more than just transportation, they're icons. For many Dutch truckers, their vehicles are extensions of themselves, personal canvases where they pour their creativity and pride. Think of it this way. While some people collect art or cars, Dutch truckers create art on 18 wheels. These trucks often feature vibrant paint jobs, intricate airbrushed murals, chrome accents, and dazzling LED light setups. It's not uncommon to see a truck decked out like a rolling masterpiece with designs that range from tributes to pop culture to stunning landscapes. And here's the kicker, they don't just look good, they perform just as impressively. What drives this obsession? The answer lies in Dutch culture. There's an inherent pride in craftsmanship and attention to detail that runs deep in Dutch society. And this translates perfectly into the world of truck modifications. Now let's talk about the heart of the Dutch trucking scene, the truck shows. The Netherlands hosts dozens of truck shows every year, and these events are unlike anything else you've ever seen. From Truckstar Festival to Glamour Truck Show, these aren't just gatherings, they're celebrations. One of the biggest highlights is the Truckstar Festival, held annually in Assen. Imagine a weekend where over 2,000 trucks converge in one spot, creating a sea of chrome, lights, and roaring engines. Tens of thousands of spectators flock to see the best of the best as truckers compete for awards like Best Paint Job or Best Interior. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. And it's not just about the trucks. These events have live music, food stalls, and activities for families, making them an all-encompassing experience. Truckers often spend months, even years, preparing their rigs for these shows, and the results are nothing short of spectacular. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Dutch truck shows aren't just popular within the Netherlands, they have an international fan base. People from all over Europe and even as far as the United States travel to attend these events. Why? Because Dutch trucks have a reputation for being some of the most customized and creative in the world. Long-nosed trucks, or conventional trucks, which are more commonly seen in the US, also make an appearance at these shows, thanks to Dutch regulations that allow them under specific conditions. This unique mix of American and European trucking styles adds a layer of diversity that you won't find anywhere else. It's no wonder international truck enthusiasts consider Dutch truck shows to be bucket list events. Let's dig a little deeper into why the Dutch are so passionate about custom trucks. First, there's the competitive spirit. Truckers in the Netherlands take immense pride in their vehicles and are constantly pushing boundaries to outdo one another. Whether it's a more elaborate paint job, a sleeker design, or better lighting, the goal is always to stand out. Second, there's the sense of community. Dutch truckers often describe their culture as one big family. Customizing trucks isn't just a solo endeavor. It's a shared experience where drivers exchange ideas, techniques, and even help each other bring their visions to life. Finally, the Dutch economy plays a role. With a strong economy and relatively high incomes, Dutch truckers have the financial means to invest in top-tier modifications. Whether it's chrome detailing, custom interiors, or high-tech gadgets, these upgrades aren't cheap, but they're worth it for those who live and breathe trucking culture. Unlike some European countries, the Netherlands has a regulatory environment that supports truck modifications. While safety and emissions standards are strict, there's significant flexibility when it comes to aesthetics. This means truckers can go all out with their designs without worrying about running afoul of the law. This regulatory openness has fostered a thriving aftermarket industry in the Netherlands. From custom parts to specialized workshops, the Dutch trucking scene is supported by an entire ecosystem dedicated to making trucks look and perform their best. Dutch truckers are renowned for their customized trucks, turning them into true works of art. These trucks feature vibrant paint jobs, intricate airbrush designs, chrome accents, and elaborate lighting, making them stand out on the road and at shows. Many also boast luxurious interiors, advanced tech, and even home-like sleeper cabs. What makes Dutch custom trucks even more special is the personal touch. Many truckers proudly display the names of their wives or children on their windshields, symbolizing a deep connection between their family and their passion for trucking. For Dutch truckers, these vehicles are more than just tools. They're expressions of pride, love, and creativity, blending art and engineering in ways that have made the Netherlands a hotspot for unique and innovative truck designs. Here's a staggering stat. There are over 40 major truck shows held in the Netherlands every year. That's almost one every week. These events collectively draw hundreds of thousands of visitors, with some of the bigger ones like Truckstar Festival attracting upwards of 60,000 attendees. It's a testament to how deeply ingrained truck culture is in the Netherlands. From small local gatherings to massive international festivals, there's always something happening in the Dutch trucking scene. The Netherlands hosts dozens of truck shows annually, showcasing its vibrant trucking culture. Famous events include the Truckstar Festival in Assen, Europe's largest truck show with over 2,000 trucks, and the Grote Truck Show Gorinchem, known for stunning custom designs. Other notable shows include the Zwarte Cross Festival, blending trucks with music and motorsports, and the Dutch Truck Grand Prix, combining truck racing with customized displays. Smaller events like Truckersdag Alten and vintage-focused festivals highlight the diversity and passion of Dutch trucking. These shows attract thousands of visitors yearly, celebrating the art and innovation of truck customization. The Dutch trucking industry is a cornerstone of the country's economy. With its strategic location as a gateway to Europe, the Netherlands relies heavily on trucking for the transportation of goods. This economic significance is reflected in the pride truckers take in their vehicles. Moreover, these truck shows have a significant social impact. They bring together people from all walks of life, creating a sense of unity and shared passion. For many attendees, these events are more than just a day out. They're a chance to connect with like-minded individuals and celebrate a shared love for trucks. As technology continues to advance, the Dutch trucking scene shows no signs of slowing down. Electric and hybrid trucks are beginning to make appearances at shows, showcasing the industry's shift towards sustainability. At the same time, the focus on customization and creativity remains as strong as ever. Whether it's through cutting-edge technology or traditional craftsmanship, Dutch truckers are constantly finding new ways to innovate and inspire. So, there you have it, the reasons why Dutch truck shows are the best in the world. From the cultural pride and creativity to the sense of community and international appeal, it's clear that the Netherlands has created something truly special. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Dutch trucking culture, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And hey, let us know in the comments what's your favorite truck show or custom truck design. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.